Alright, we're back again with another informative video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Please hit that little notification bell so you'll know when I'm dropping these videos. Today we're going to talk about smoke alarms, carbon monoxide detectors, where they are required, lifespan of a smoke alarm. Yeah, that's what we're going to talk about, smoke alarms. I posted a video about this about a year ago, so I'm trying to reinforce the one that I posted back then. So that's what we're talking about today. Hope you guys are staying safe. We hope you're having a great day. So let's get into it. Okay, let's get into it. Smoke alarms are required in every bedroom. Let's go into one of the bedrooms here. I'm in a small 2-bedroom, I think a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's a renovation. I just finished doing the finals, the mechanical, plumbing, electrical. That's the kitchen there, and we're going down the hallway to one of the bedrooms. Like I said, smoke alarms are required in every bedroom. The ideal location for 4 inches outside of the corner areas where the horizontal and vertical walls intersect. So you see that corner there, that corner of a wall, 4 inches going horizontal, 4 inches going vertical. You don't want to place a smoke alarm in that area. That's more of that's a bad zone to place a smoke alarm. So 4 inches horizontal, 4 inches vertical. We don't want a smoke alarm. As far as the vertical walls, the max distance from the corner, from the intersection, is 12 inches. So if you come down 4 inches vertically, you have another 8 inches to play around with if you choose to place a smoke alarm on a vertical wall. As far as horizontal, you don't want to get any closer than 4 inches to that corner, to that intersection where the horizontal and vertical connect. Also, you don't want to be any closer than 3 feet from the tip of a ceiling fan. So 3 feet out, we need clearance. So, and this one is placed perfectly. We have clearance from the tip of this ceiling fan. This is a ceiling fan inside a bedroom. We need 3 feet from tip to the smoke alarm, and we don't want to be any closer than 4 inches where the horizontal and the vertical connect. So that's a perfectly placed smoke alarm. As far as the hallways, we need a combo unit. If you have a gas appliance, furnace, water heater, stove, you need a carbon monoxide smoke alarm combo unit in the hallway. And in this particular house, we have in the kitchen, there's a gas range there. So we definitely need a combo unit smoke alarm combo smoke alarm carbon monoxide detector. If your garage is attached to your house, and that's pretty common down here in Georgia, where the garages are attached to the house, you need a carbon monoxide detector. You need smoke alarms on every level. You need carbon monoxide detectors outside of the bedrooms, preferably the smoke alarm carbon monoxide combo units. And if, let's just use this bedroom as an example here. And this is another bedroom. If you're in a situation where there was a water heater inside of that closet, I know that's pretty common in a lot of the houses up north, and there's some down here as well, where they'll have a gas appliance in a bedroom, in a closet. You need a carbon monoxide detector inside of that bedroom, preferably a combo unit, smoke alarm combo carbon monoxide detector inside the bedroom. That's only if you have a gas appliance in a closet in the bedroom. And let's go downstairs here. Like I said, this was a renovation here. The builder actually did a pretty good job with this renovation. Let's talk about, and this is another bedroom down here, with a smoke alarm, and right outside of that bedroom, there's the smoke alarm combo carbon monoxide detector, the combo unit. And that's it really. I want to kind of bring you a quick one, trying to think of anything else we could talk about. Lifespan of a smoke detector is about 10 years. That's it. So if you're living in a home and you know your smoke alarms are older than 10 years, you need to get them replaced ASAP. And there are units now. You can go to Lowe's, Home Depot, or you can order them online. That they are wireless now. They don't have to be hardwired. You can buy a pack of 5, a pack of 10, and just put them up, and they all talk to each other. When one goes off, you definitely need all of them to go off. If a fire got started down here on the lower level, this is the basement level, and somebody's in that bedroom sleeping, and the fire got started, let's just use this as an example. This is the mechanical room for this house. You know, that's your heat pump. That's your water heater there. And there's your electrical panel. So if a fire got started here, the bedroom is on the other side of this wall here. That's a bedroom there. So if a fire got started like in that panel, or here at the heat pump or water heater, you definitely want everybody upstairs to know that a fire is raging down here. So when one goes off, they definitely need to be either hardwired, interconnected. So when one goes off, they all go off. Like I said, you can buy some wireless units. You don't have to have them hardwired. They all talk to each other. So if a fire got started down here, the people upstairs in the bedrooms would also know that there's a problem. We talked about lifespan. If you know your units, your smoke alarms are older than 10 years, you need to swap them out. And man, that's it really. You guys got any questions, comments, please hit me up down below. Please subscribe. Please share this with your neighbors, friends, co-workers, family members. And that's it on this one. We'll see you soon on another one. Hope you guys are having a great day. Take care.